Hey there, Python programmers, and welcome back to Brad Codes. So in this lesson, we're going to talk a little bit more about the while loop and have a bit of fun with it as well. We're going to make basically a song that kind of plays in our terminal as we go, and when we're done, I might even sing along a little bit. So let's get started. We are going to need a few dependencies here. These are built in. So from random, the random module, we are going to want to import randint. It just allows us to randomly pick an integer. It's going to be pretty helpful for this. And then from time, we want to import sleep. That's going to allow us to pause our code, basically make it so it feels like the terminal is singing. And another import is OS, our operating system, and I'll talk about why we're going to need each one of these. Let's also set a variable of count equal to 99, as that is going to be part of our song. And then we should use a while loop. While our count is less than, I'm going to make it 1,000. So ultimately, our count is going to hopefully randomly increase each loop through the while loop till eventually it should reach 1,000 and stop. First thing we'll want to do in here is use our operating system or OS import. os.system allows us to basically make custom terminal commands. We're going to throw in a clear here, so after each each verse, we'll clear our terminal. Again, very innocent to use clear, but be careful. You could put some malicious things in this for sure. And then let's start our singing. Our singing ultimately is going to be a print. We'll use an F string for most so we can get our count value in there. And we're going to have 99 little bugs in our code. A bit of a play on 99 bottles of beer, but instead bugs in our code because we're programmers. Once we print it out, we are going to use the sleep method that's coming imported from time. Sleep is going to look for how many seconds you would like things to pause for. I am going to do 2 seconds because I'm going to need enough time to sing. So that will just cause our code to stop right here on sleep for a full 2 seconds before it moves along. After that, we're going to want to do another print. So, yep, we'll want to have our count in here again. And then we're going to do pesky little bugs. And already we've got half of a verse put together. We'll want to sleep for another 2 minutes. And then after that, let's go ahead and do yet another print. This is a static one, so no F string required. Take one down and patch it around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Boom. And now here's where we're going to want to do a little bit of calculating. So we're going to want to generate new bugs because that's what makes this song fun and silly. New bugs will equal. This is what we're going to do with our random generation. Let's do randint. Randint is going to look for 2 values, a stop and a start, and that's going to be the range in which it generates random values. Let's go from 1 to 50. So, hey, we could have this song going for a bit of time with that. And then, again, now that we have new bugs, let's add them to our count. Count plus equals our new bugs there. Cool. Finally, we'll want to go ahead and do one last print in our song. So let's do a print, another F string. This time we're going to have an updated count. Oops. Gotta put that in curly braces to interpolate it into the F string. Little bugs in our code. Woohoo. And then we'll want to throw in one last sleep. Actually, I feel like we might be missing a sleep in there. We'll sleep for 2 seconds. Technically, after this print, we'll want to throw in a sleep as well. At this point, it's looking pretty good. How about we start some singing? Whoops. Bump. Up. Whatever. Let's do boom, boom, boom. Python 04 while loop. And here we go. 99 little bugs in our code, 99 pesky little bugs. Take one down and patch it around. 111 little bugs in our code, 111 little bugs in our code, 111 pesky little bugs. Take one down and patch it around. 156 little bugs in our code, 156 little bugs in our code, 156 pesky little bugs. Take one down and patch it around. 171 little bugs in our code. Cool. So I'm going to let this keep running again. Eventually this count is going to be greater than 1,000. Our while loop will stop and our song will be done. I definitely hope you enjoyed this little fun-filled video. Again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep sending out more Python coding videos. Have a good one.